Hello everyone, welcome to WizJoint. Today I'm going to show you how to open the hood on a Kia Sportage. Opening the hood is quite simple and I will walk you through it step by step. First, hop inside the car and make sure that the shift lever is in park position and that the parking brake is engaged. Now locate the hood release lever. The hood release lever is located on the driver's side down near the floor. Now pull the lever and you will feel the hood pop open slightly. You won't be able to lift it all the way, we still have one more step to go. Now the safety catch comes into play. You will find it right under the front center edge of the hood. It's a small lever that you will need to push upward. While pushing the lever upward, lift the hood open. Be cautious as hoods can be quite heavy, so make sure you have good grip and control over it. After raising the hood, pull out the stay rod and place it on the hood. When you open the hood, a warning message will appear on the instrument cluster screen, alerting you to the fact that the hood is open. Remember to always be careful when working under the hood and make sure the engine is cool before attempting any maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.